Hi, dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session, guys, we are learning PEM Part 2, where we'll learn why we need event management in our life or in our career. So, guys, before going to that thing, we also have notes called special notes also, which will be issuing on few days. The link will be available in the description also, and the normal notes are has been uploaded in the website. So please go and watch those new notes. And if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe now. Let's begin with the content. So, guys, why we need event management, or the question may be need for event management. This can be asked for a 5 marks question or 14 marks. Provide career opportunities. Yes, guys, and nowadays the event management has a, what we can say, good career guidelines, where each and there we can earn more profit also. Next, we have profession growth opportunities. Also, it is a profession, guys. You can see for some, we can say, not the middle class people, the higher class authority appoint those event management people who are capable to manage all those things. So there also we have the professional growth opportunities. Next, we have opportunity to switch careers. So here we are not only focusing on the event management, but also the overall development of the personality is also include. How? By controlling the people, by speaking to people, by managing what can be next, by having few plans in advance. So the like this. Then we have availability of more jobs. Yes, guys, because event management is a thing where it is vast. Like people celebrate a small program also, they will involve event management people. Maybe it is an annual meet of and college, there also they will have an event management committee. Yes, so that one. Then we can say better pay packages. Yes, because here in the event management, all will be based upon the ideas. See, here idea is the main point, because from idea only we can reduce the cost and we can earn the profit. If you are better in that, you can be a event manager also. Then global reach, this event management, see, I can give you an example, like my friend also, he was just having a normal event management things he was doing in one area and all. Next, what happened is the people who came from different part of countries, they were encouraged by him, and also he was called there to conduct an event. It was very great to see him there. Yes. So like this, the global reach. Next, we have analyze of events. Guys, I know you will think each and every topic is repeating same and same, but don't think so much. Just focus on your points. Other rather think you can fill it out on your own. You have the capability to fill it out the answer sheet, then it is well and good. But here the main point is the what we say, bullet points should be proper. If not, we cannot do anything. So first is select event for analysis. As less we have to select the event first. Collect and collect information. We have to collect the information also, like how they will celebrate, how, okay, let's have some Hindu marriage, north side. So first, what type of marriage we are conducting, how many people will come, all the information, how much food they want, how much place they want, which hotel they want for the reception and all, everything should be grasped. Next, we are organizing the analyze meeting. Now we have organized everything to this thing. We have to conduct a meeting and we have to inform every person of the event management people. Yes, this is how it will be going. U4 will be for food, U4 will be for decoration. You will be dividing everyone. Next, you have set framework and rules for the analyze. Then also we'll have some rules and regulations. For that, the party cannot change at the time. Okay, so I want this thing immediately, he cannot ask. So first only we can mention our rules and regulations, so he will be knowing those things and all. Then we have something called conduct of analysis. Now we have conducted an event, now we'll analyze. The event is done, the marriage is done, what was the problems, what were the backlogs, what were the problems, those all we will analyze. And for the next will not this implement changes and follow up. Now last time what we had done, that should not repeat again, then we have to follow up. That is a simple thing. Next guide, SWOT, analysis and event management. Now what does the SWOT means? Strength planning tools used to identify and analyze strength, weakness, opportunity and threat involved in event. So guys, these are the SWOT and all. So I think this is very easy, I think. Yeah, only the opportunities, threats, weakness and strength you should know. The strength and opportunity are internal, the weakness and threats are external, environment. Okay, those things we will be issuing the notes as soon as possible the college reopen. Don't worry about the notes and all. Abba ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು. So managing technical staff, key decision makers, training ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ include ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Handling money, OMG. So this chapter is very vast guys. First chapter is establishing policies and procedures of an event. What are the policies, procedures for doing an event also? We'll learn in the further videos also. I'll make it short for you and make a small video on that, how what are the procedures and all. And also you have developing record keeping system, also you have to keep the records also, no, about the this thing. So we are left out with the two topics, that is procedure and policies of event manager, and something called maintaining the records of customers. So those topics will cover in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe channel Top Education. Thank you.